In this video, I will show you how to use Lomo effect in your photos. Click on the basic section, then increase exposure to plus 0.26. Reduce contrast to -14. Reduce highlight to -32. Increase shadows to +23. Reduce white to -25. Increase black to +19. Increase clarity to +33. Increase the haze to +21. Reduce vibrance to -16. Reduce saturation to -14. Click on the tone curve section. Click on the point curve. Change point curve linear to medium contrast. Click on the HSL color section. Go to hue. Increase blue to +40. Increase purple to +40. Now click on the color grading section. Click on the shadow icon. Increase hue to 330. Increase shade to 30. Increase balance to +25. Next, click on the highlights icon. Increase hue to 66. Increase shade to 80. Click on the effects section. From post crop vignetting, reduce the amount to -39. Next, from grain, increase the amount to 36. Increase roughness to 75. Done. Thanks for watching the video.